Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to recover deleted documents for Android. We will first learn about how the software works. We are telling you in the video how to download the software. Watch the full video. Click continue with ads. Click documents. Click scan. Wait a minute, your Android's file are being scanned. Now all the deleted file can be seen. Select the file you want to recover. Then click restore now. Document recover. You can view the recovered documents by going to your file manager folder. It will show your documents file there. I can't show the documents file because I have no deleted documents file on my phone. Now I will show you how to download the software. Open Google Play Store. Then search all documents recovery. Click the software. Then install. Open app. Then click allow access. Then allow all permission. Then click allow access. Click start. Thanks for watching.